Hello to all my beautiful viewers out there. Today I'm going to be unboxing the JuiceWRLD Vlone merch. Now, if you don't know who JuiceWRLD is or Vlone is, essentially Vlone is the brand that was originally created by two of the ASAP mob members. One of them left ASAP K from the brand, and I think the mob itself a long time ago. So ASAP Bari took over the actual brand itself, and in 2014 they released their first ever collection, and they debuted their first ever run show in 2017. They have had collaborations in the past, in 2017 with Nike. Unfortunately, due to sexual allegations and a video that was released to the internet about the founder of the brand, ASAP Bari, Vlone has kind of been a bit of controversy in the streetwear world. ASAP Bari has been known to be a massive influencer in the actual, streetwear culture, but because of what he did in 2017, the brand is a little bit hit or miss on people's morals when it comes to deciding whether or not they want to buy any Vlone products, because at the end of the day, if you buy a Vlone product, a little bit of that, price, a little bit of that money is going to be going into ASAP Bari's wallet in some form or another. Maybe not directly from the purchase itself, but if it's paid out to Vlone, Vlone obviously pays out an income to Bari, so it does eventually work its way down the pipe to ASAP Bari. That, as I said, it's been a stir of controversy to every individual in the streetwear community, whether or not they buy any products from Vlone because of that. Obviously, JuiceWRLD is a big person in the rap game these days. He's released two albums, Goodbye and Good Riddance and Death Race for Love. In early March, when the album actually dropped, the album Death Race for Love dropped in March 8th of 2019. On the 29th of March, I bought both a JuiceWRLD x Vlone hoodie and a JuiceWRLD Death Race for Love vinyl, because obviously, as you guys know, I love vinyls. A couple days ago, my signed copy that I bought arrived. I don't know if you can see it down there, but bada bing, bada boom. JW999, JuiceWRLD signature. I bought the album. It took so long to arrive. We're in July and the album finally arrived. A lot of people said I should have cancelled my order after a month, but I was committed. I wanted it. I needed it. I love vinyls. I love JuiceWRLD. I got to see him at the Falls Festival last year. His mosh was absolutely hectic. Absolutely loved it. It was so much fun. But yeah, that's it for JuiceWRLD and Vlone. And I bought the hoodie in, as I said, March 29th, and it's only now just arrived. So, as I said in today's video, I will be unboxing it, giving my thoughts on it, where I stand on the Vlone Vlone controversy and him collabing with JuiceWRLD. I bought the hoodie with the intentions of supporting JuiceWRLD. At the end of the day, I understand that some of the money will obviously go to Vlone. I personally think that ASAP Bari has finally come to terms with what he's done. Whether or not that makes it redeemable is totally in your eyes, in the long run. But I don't know. I feel like I'm not supporting what ASAP Bari stood for at the time of what he did by buying one of the hoodies now for, JuiceWRLD's collaboration. I didn't buy the Vlone hoodie because it was a Vlone hoodie. I wanted to buy tour merch because I love tour merch for JuiceWRLD, and it just happens that I think because JuiceWRLD might now be a part of the ASAP mob technically, that because ASAP Bari handles all of the, connections, the merch deals for the ASAP mob, I think now that's the reason why JuiceWRLD now does Vlone merch, because he's now part of the mob. ASAP Bari now obviously does the merch for him. So I think that's why it happened. Either way, the controversy in that whole topic is for a different video, a different time. Today, I'm just going to be going over the unboxing of the video, my thoughts on it being delayed until July when I bought it in March, and if it's really worth it. Is the brand that makes all of its stuff in, I think, California, is it really worth it? Let's find out, fellas. Let's get to the unboxing. As I said, guys, let's get to it. Let's get opening. There we go. Easy peasy. Come on, it's just a plastic bag. It's not going to take that long to open. I don't have to do the whole opening process of grabbing a knife and cutting it open. You know what all the unboxing YouTube channels do. Okay, so we've got a little receipt here by the looks of it. Oh, it's just a custom slip to say I didn't import drugs or weapons and stuff. Yep, Vlone hoodie, X JuiceWrld, 2XL. To my address. I'm not going to obviously show that to you guys. You don't need to see my address. Calm down, calm down. Okay, so I'll put that off to the side. Let's have a look at the actual hoodie. So, on the back, I'll come back a little bit so you guys can see the design. We've got the iconic V for Vlone, stylized with barbed wire. This was personally my favorite hoodie out of the whole collection. There was heaps of merch that dropped, but this one was my favorite. It was the most simple, and that's why I kind of liked it. Now, on the front, we've got a simple print of 999 World. Obviously, JuiceWrld's little, you know, how do I put it? Club? That makes it sound lame. Gang? I don't know, that makes it sound like it's a bit edgy, a bit like street violent, but he has a group called 999, and let's have a look at the inside. Ooh, that tag is interesting. So, conventionally on Vlone hoodies, the actual tag is usually a V. From what I know, this is my first ever Vlone product. I don't actually own any other Vlone products, but from what I know, the actual tag is a V, and obviously for the main logo itself. But this is the tag on the JuiceWrld ones. So it obviously says 999 on the red there, and then, oh my god, can I get this tag out, please? And then it's got Vlone, oh, it's got Lone written on the tag there. Pretty cool. But was it worth the 100 USD? Was it worth the wait of so many months? I'm gonna chuck it on, and I'll give you my thoughts. I'll tell you what it's like. Let's dive in and have a look. Ta-da! First thing I noticed, no drawstrings. Interesting choice, not gonna lie, but no drawstrings. I don't know why, don't ask me why, I honestly don't know, but there is no drawstrings on this hoodie, which is an interesting concept for me, because I'm like, this is just weird. They're not tucked in or anything, there are no drawstrings, so I mean, okay, interesting design choice there. What do I think of the overall quality for the months of waiting and the $100? 100 US dollars? It's alright. It's not the most well, it is very, very comfortable. Don't get me wrong. Up there, it is way better than a lot of the prints that are used in a lot of streetwear brands. Honestly, it is pretty good. But yeah, it's a hard call to make on if it's worth like 100 USD. Like, I do like that it's made in California. That they've obviously used people with livable wages, etc., etc. So I shouldn't really be focusing too much on, is it worth $100 in quality? I should be focusing on, do I feel that it's justified that it's $100 because of all the conditions of people in America with livable wage? Well, I said livable. I assume pretty livable wages made it, and it wasn't made by some person in a sweatshop, if you get what I mean. Which maybe there is sweatshops in America. I don't know. I'm just assuming a lot of things here, guys. But honestly, it's not bad. Would I be comfortable in paying $100 for a Vlone JuiceWrld hoodie every single time? Not really, but I knew that this was going to be a one-off, so I kind of wanted to buy it and just see how it felt. I personally think it's okay, though. I didn't realize that it actually has JuiceWrld written on here as well, or JW. It's not bad. The choice of no drawstrings, I'm still going to have to get around that, but I think it looks actually kind of... I could imagine this working well with a jacket over the top of it, purely because there's no drawstrings. I don't know. Oh, man. I'm still stuck on the no drawstrings. It's an interesting take. But it's nice. It's warm. It's comfortable. I would rate it. I would probably consider buying more Vlone hoodies and stuff like that. Again, I have to really collect my thoughts on, can I justify buying more Vlone hoodies with all the allegations that went on and everything like that. It's going to be a hard thing to call, honestly, because I am supporting someone who has committed quite a bad crime. But in saying that, if sexual assault wasn't a huge topic these days and it was something else, other people have committed crimes that I've probably bought merch from without even knowing. Like, someone probably, a lot of the vinyls that I've bought here, there are probably people that have killed other people, and I either do know consciously or don't know consciously, but I've bought their art and have totally neglected the idea that they've actually killed someone. But back to the actual hoodie itself. It's comfortable. The prints are nice quality. I feel like this will last a while. On the back, it's the same quality. I can feel like it hasn't been, let down. Would I say it's worth the wait and stuff like that? Not really. I'd rather just like buy it and then have it actually just shipped to me. In the original email, it said it was going to be shipped out in 4 to 6 weeks, not 4 to 6 months, but whatever. I really like it. I would love to know your thoughts on it. What's your thoughts on Vlone? What's your thoughts on the merch? But I think it's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it, pretty comfortable with it, but let me know in that comment section below, guys. I would love to have a conversation with you guys about, can we justify buying Vlone? What's Vlone like? I would say I would price this around like 60 to 80 USD, but I can understand why they price it a little bit more because it's like a JuiceWRLD collab and everything like that. I'm happy with it. I'm happy that I bought it in the end. The topic on whether if it was justified or ethical for me to buy it is a totally different one, but I love this hoodie. It's awesome. That's it, guys. But that's it today. That's the unboxing of the hoodie. What do you guys think of JuiceWRLD's new album, Death Race for Love? What did you think of the merch that dropped with it? Do you like this hoodie? Is it a miss for you, or would you actually cop it? Let me know in the comment section below. And of course, until next time, guys, I'll catch you later.